how to create this type of animations simply from your mobile phone. This tool will help beginners and aspiring animators to explore their creativity to make animated videos. So let's dive into the video, but before that make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. So the app's name is Flipaclip. This simple frame-by-frame app has gained immense popularity worldwide. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, it's like having a virtual flipbook at your fingertips. You can create cartoons, memes, anime, stick figures, drawing on video or pictures, and more. Its features include creative drawing tools, bunch of effects for animations, video animation tools, support music and sound effects, animation on videos and images, and a lot more. Create a new project and explore different tools and settings and create your animations easily. You also get different tutorial videos in the app itself, so you can learn about the tools and features it offers. Also, you can watch and learn from their YouTube channel where the creators keeps you updated about the new tools and updates. So it's a great tool for the animators who want to animate their projects on their mobile phones. So give it a try and let me know your feedbacks in the comments. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe.